Hello students, in this session we'll discuss important questions in C. In that course, the very first thing we talk about is the basic structure of C, that is the documentation section, link section, etc. etc. We have that. So you need to write about that one, and you need to explain each and every section in detail and write it in a hierarchy, which comes first and which comes next, right? Then we have the preprocessor directives, then we have data type supported by C. We have three data types. The main data types we have, that is the primary data type, derived data type, and the user defined data type. Under primary data type, what all comes? Under user defined data types, what all comes? You need to discuss about all of them in detail. Next one is the storage classes, that is automatic, static, register, and external. So you need to discuss or write about all these along with example programs wherever necessary. Then you have operators. Under operators, you have many types of operators here. You have many types of operators like the arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, and the comparison operator, bitwise operator. You have many types of operators. You need to go through all of them. You need to be thorough with all of them. In your examination point of view, they may be asking you one or two types of operators. You need to write them along with example program. So because it is a computer or programming paper, we need to write about write programs wherever necessary. Coming to next one is the character functions we have. So we have list of character functions. For everything you need to write syntax and example for that sake. Same thing with mathematical functions also. Then we have define function. What is the need for user defined function? Why do we need user defined function? See, we have mathematical characters, string or date and time functions, but apart from that we are using some more functions. What is the purpose of it? The main purpose is the user's requirement are not fulfilled by these existing functions. So what are we doing? We are creating our own functions. So that is the basic requirement. So you need to go through all of that and you need to write in detail about it. Then here only you can write what are the elements of the function, etc. Coming to formatted input, output. So what is that you need to write along with an example. Then you have define variable. What are the rules for writing variable names? What is a variable? A variable is a name. It is an identifier which is used to store some data in it, right? And what are the rules for writing it? You don't need to have a blank space in it, or you can't use any other special characters other than an underscore, etc. You have some list of rules. You need to write variable names, so you have to write all those rules. Then you have write about string functions. Of course you know that. So string functions like strcpy, strlen, and you have many more. So you need to write syntax of it and also an example program wherever necessary. Then you have write about what is history of C. So what is the history of C? How is C evolved and all? You need to write about that. Then and what is the basic stage of C when it is started, and now what is the stage? What is its version? What we are using now? Then comes the recursive function, and explain it with an example. What is recursive function? So which calls itself again and again till the condition satisfies, right? In the same way, you need to write an example program. The most common example program we write for that is the factorial of a given number. So you can explain it with that one. Then you have define keyword, and what are the different keywords you have. What is a keyword? Yes, of course you know it is a reserved word. What are the different keywords? You have 32 set of keywords in C language, so you need to discuss about that one. Then you have define array, write about one dimension and two dimensional array along with an example. So array, it is a collection of homogeneous data elements. Now coming to one and two dimensional array. Of course in a one dimensional array you will be having only one subscript, and in a two dimensional array you will be having two subscripts, isn't it? So and also you need to explain them along with syntaxes, and example is compulsory. Here only you can mention how do you initialize an array also and all in detail. Coming to what is a string, how do you initialize and declare a string, write about how do you read and write a string. Nothing but you talk about gets and puts there, how do you read and write string. Then how do you initialize and how do you declare a string. Because C does not support strings directly, we need to use a character array. And how do we declare and initialize? Of course you know that. Then we have define string. What is a string? String is a collection of character or an array of characters. So that is about it. Everywhere you need to write an example program. Then you have different types of user-defined functions. What are they? Function with argument, with return value, no argument, no return value. You have totally four types of what we say user-defined functions. So you need to discuss about all of them. Then you have different control statements. You have, that is, branching, jumping, and looping. Branching statements, they are used for decision making purpose, like if, else, switch, etc. Jumping statements, they are used to go from one place to another. That means from one portion of the program to another portion. That means here you talk about break, go to, continue, etc. Then you have looping statements. To repeat a set of statements again and again, we use a loop, right? So there you use a for loop, a while loop, and a do while loop. Okay, so you need to write about everything in detail and go along with syntaxes and example program. So you may not be asked directly, maybe you may be asked only a branching statement or a looping statement. So for anything you must be prepared with all the way. Then you have define pointer, explain it with an example. What is a pointer? Then write an example program explaining what is a pointer. Then you have write about enumerated data type. So just give a syntax or an example and write the basic definition of it, that will work. Then you have explain, difference between array, structure, and union. So you may be asked, what is the difference between structure and array? What is the difference between structure and array, or structure and union? So write the differences between them. Then here I gave explain structure and union with example program. So in this case you are supposed to write about what is a structure and what is a union. What are the syntaxes for it? How do you declare it? Right? How do you initialize them? What is a example program? Write an example program explaining what is a structure and what is a union, how the members of the structure are declared or how the members of the union are declared, how can they be accessed, etc., etc. Demonstrating all of them, you write example program for each of them. Okay, so these are the important questions in C language. Hope you understood them. Thank you.